my purpose is to make sure that all of these information is not lost or deleted.
The country leads the way in mass surveillance is China. Although the mass surveillance proved to be effective during the pandemic in lockdown areas where you could monitor movement and enforce curfews by using the phone location data, it's not their only monitoring instrument over their people. They also introduced a system of colored QR codes and mass CCTV networks with cameras equipped with facial recognition capability, which gives authority to track who has gone exactly to which precise location. They also have the data scrapped by the police files, public transportation history, hospital records, and even the mobile apps on your phone. All are linked to the national ID cards, which gives Chinese government to mass information about their citizens.
In January, a man who tested positive for the coronavirus used public buses and subways to crisscross China's eastern city of Nanjing. The police posted his journey with specific dates and times on social media, with a warning that anyone who is in that area get tested for the virus.
The new and various use of technology on the basis of COVID-19 could help resolve some of the public health concerns, but it's also another way for the governments to gather large amounts of information about their citizens without their consents, and sometimes without their knowledge.
Used crises like this to sort of increasingly collect more data on its citizens and monitor it. Now they have systems in place that they put in place to monitor citizens under quarantine, which can therefore be extrapolated and used in the future to monitor them for all sorts of reasons, monitor their movements. Now China is supremely good at this. It is a leader par none in this space, and so you might argue that that has actually helped strengthen Xi Jinping's authority.
When governments get new powers in a crisis, they are not tend to give them away anytime soon. For example, the surveillance system in the USA built after 9/11 attacks are still in play after almost 20 years. If these technologies are actually addressing the crisis, then they could be deemed necessary under some circumstances. But there lies the problem. Are they really crisis-based?